Good evening, Dr. Richards, Zofia Grzegorzewska. April 18th, 2020, our week first of our studies. And for this week, we had to do a Human Metrics Young typology test. Well, my scores are as follows. Extrovert, 31%. Intuitive, 38%. Feelings, 9%. Judging, 28%. Well, I don't think I was really surprised here. Very, very close matching results over here for what really the personality is. So for my career choices, I was presented with counseling, psychology, social work, education, and health and medicine will be physician. I don't know if I can be physician. But a while ago I was on my way there, but life happened, and unfortunately I had to decide to stop school. Technical science, so will be science, computer science and software, and management, fashion, merchandising, and politics. I really don't want to do the last one. So as we know, I am very much person that someone can rely on. I'm very much about building, develop, and then I'm very much about team building. I used to be team supervisor in the past, and many came to work to my program because they were respected. There was good communication. There was encouragement. I encourage my staff to educate, to do better for them. And there always can be better than it is. So, well, thank you very much. This is it for today. I hope to talk to you soon. Well, have a good night, Professor. Thank you very much.